Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Vlogs. Happy to see you all again with one more new video in my favorite country, Norway. This is most thrilling place of Norway, Atlantic Ocean Road. More clips ahead, please watch till end. Before starting the video, please ensure to hit the bell icon to receive future notifications of my videos. Posted videos across the world with detailed description so that travel can be made easy. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. Instead of taking public transport, Atlantic Ocean will be more thrilling if we drive ourselves. Decided to drive from nearest airport, which is Molde. Flight from Oslo to Molde will take around 45 minutes, but this entire flight will be a thrilling experience. Especially while landing in Molde, in between mountains and fjords. From Molde we started our driving. Special thanks to Hertz Car Rental who arranged us a beautiful car. This rental car helped us in covering two places in one drive, Atlantic Ocean Road and Trollstigen. Atlantic Ocean Road is between Vevang to Karvag, and from Molde it will take 1 hour 30 minutes. Atlantic Ocean Road is 8 kilometers long, has 8 bridges and 4 resting places. This is one of the most thrilling and dangerous roads when it is winter and high tide season. During summer, this is one of the most beautiful road which you can experience across Atlantic Ocean. Now leaving you with most thrilling road trip onwards and return across the bridges and also in the resting area where we went across the walking bridges. with that, we are coming to the end of this video. Please don't forget to watch my other videos in Norway. Hope you have liked this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. So see you again with one more new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.